Hello friends, welcome to SuNi Art. This is SuNi. Today I want to show you a simple painting project, rose again. But this rose I would like to paint on a bunny phone holder. This is a phone holder, is my best friend. She always follow me here and there, okay? I always put my phone when I want to do something, like for example, I want to do my syllabus, I want to do my flyer together with my what you call this, the keyboard, okay, wireless keyboard. I'm using Bluetooth. Then I will connect together and start doing my work. So this bunny phone holder is very important to me, okay? So today I want to teach you a very simple rose painting on this bunny, okay? I use all the color from SuNi Art and Craft. SuNi Art and Craft 16 color set together with 4 medium. Okay, I like to use this color because it's very easy for me. So I design all the painting using this 16 color. So easier for beginner also to start with this 16 color. Okay, so this phone holder I already base coated in white color and also with some ocean blue. You can base coat with any color you like. Okay, if you have no confidence to paint directly on the phone holder, you can do like this. Okay, take a paper, a sketch paper or whatever paper you have, just practice. Then you sketch the outline of the bunny using pencil. Just sketch first. Okay, just do like that. Then you can practice on the paper first. After you have more confidence, then you paint on the bunny, okay, on the phone holder. Just do like that, just like what I did just now, this one. Then you can sketch the pattern here, 3 roses, simple roses that I think you learned before. Then today most emphasize on the bunny's eyes. Okay, now we start painting. For this project I use only few color. For the rose I use rose pink and magenta and white color. For the leaf, as usual, I use pine green and the moss green. And the brushes for this project is one liner brush, and also filbert number 2. 2 brushes only. If you have filbert number 6, it's better for you to paint the brush here. Okay, so I will do the painting on the sketch. So at the beginning, we will base the rose with the rose pink first, 3 circles. Okay, very casual strokes. So if you forgot about the strokes, you can refer to my previous video in my other in my YouTube channel. Just base coat first. You see, I just very simple and casual strokes. Then put the magenta. The magenta is to fix the position where is the center of the flower. Okay, so before it dry, wipe off the brush first. Then I will take only the white color on your brush. Just do the left and right. You see this stroke, the comma stroke, left and right, left and right, just left and right, left, right, just like that. Okay, so same as this one. No need to be very nice because this one is a very casual rose for beginner. It's very simple. Okay, then turn around, easier for you to paint because this flower is facing up. Okay, only the white color. If you lost the color, you can put back again some of the pink and put again the white color. Like that. Okay, done. If you want more white here, you can put again. You can always touch up, okay? Then, done already. Then here, you can paint some smaller rose. Same, you can base with the, you see, smaller circle now. Then also some of the magenta, wipe off, then take the white color, left and right comma stroke, left and right, done. Okay, simple. Again, one more. Take the magenta. Maybe I will enlarge. You will see. Okay? Like that. Then take only the white color. Done. Okay? Then now we do the green color leaves. The leaf also, as usual, just the stroke is also the comma. Okay, just the same. Take the pine green with some of the moss green. So the leaf I will have here, here. You want darker or you want lighter is all up to you. Okay, just a very casual stroke. If you want some here, you can paint also some leaf, like continuous until here, okay? Then you can use the liner brush to paint some of the curly line. For decoration, I like to do this decoration, okay? Maybe darker green because you cannot see. Here you can use the liner to paint the leaves because it's very small. Very fast painting because just casual. Then done for the roses. Okay, now we paint the eyes. So for the bunny eyes, I would like to use brown color. Of course, if you want black color, you can use the black color. So you dot the center first, dot the center, then you also can sketch first. If you are not confident, you can sketch. But now I paint the center here, draw 2 circles. Try to be more rounded, okay, and also more even for 2 eyes. So it's better if you can sketch first. I just lazy, okay. Use the liner. If you don't have liner brush, you also can use the filbert number 2. You see these 2 eyes not the same size already. Maybe slightly longer. Actually, use round brush is better, maybe faster. Round brush number 2. If you have round brush is like this. Okay, if you have round brush, or also you can use your filbert number 2, maybe faster because liner is too sharp. Okay, I use the round brush. Okay, then use your liner again to paint the line, eyebrow, or the eyelash. Here, you see the line is just one stroke. Try to be sharp. So you must use a good liner to paint this. Okay, here, 2 strokes. Here, 2 strokes. And here, 1 stroke. Almost done. Then the same liner again, the same liner brush again. Take only the white color. We'll dot the center. I will take some white color first. Okay, just dot here, center, maybe here also. Okay, done. Then for the nose, I would like to use slightly darker red. Maybe I use magenta since we have a magenta. Just paint a heart shape. Okay, paint a heart shape for the nose. How big, how small is up to you. Okay, paint the nose, heart shape nose. This one actually I learned from my teacher from Taiwan. My teacher Sun Feng Lan, she teach me this one many years ago when I have lesson there with her in Taiwan. So I have to thank you to her for this design. So also you take a white color for the highlight on the nose, one side. Maybe you have to wet it slightly dry first for the magenta, still wet, just one side. Okay, then use a slightly bigger filbert brush. Just side load one side. Remember the side loading? Just one side with the rose pink, just one side. Okay, then you see one side loading, one side with the rose pink, and other side is just water. We paint like that. Because this is paper, that's why you can see the water so clearly. But after it dry, it will be better. After dry, you will see like this. You can see like this one. Shading, I mean the highlight and I'm not shading, sorry. You can see the fading effect. Here water, here more darker. Okay, same as this one. So done already. A very simple project you can try. Okay, the center, the nose, you have to wait slightly dry, then you put again the white color, because here cannot really see because still wet. Just like that. Okay, so you have to wait it slightly dry, or you blow dry with the hair dryer. Yeah, okay, done. Very simple project. So if you paint on a wood, if you paint on a wood piece like this bunny, you have to varnish. You have, after completed, you have to varnish at least 2 to 3 layers after completed, to protect your the whole surface. So you better varnish at least 3 layers. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you like this project.